Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raisin and today I am going to help you in starting your Forex journey. Now, if you're interested in trading in Forex, then this will help you. Okay, but before anything else, in order for you to trade, you need to find a legit broker first. Now, your broker will help you to get in and out of the market, to buy, to sell, and to help you with your different concerns in the market if you encountered one. Now, one of the different trading platform or different trading brokers that I really love is what we call the XM trading. Now, XM trading will allow you to trade not only in Forex, but at the same time in crypto, in CFDs, in stocks, in metals like gold and silver, and many more. Now, in order for you to make an account with XM, it's very easy. All you need to do is just to go to my description, okay, here, and then click more, okay, and you can find the very first link here on top. It says here, interested in trading in Forex, register here so you could enjoy 100% deposit bonus. Now, all you need to do, guys, is to click this one. And I also provided a link here in the comment section. So whichever you prefer, you could click the link on the description, or you could click also this link in the comment section. So just click this one and it will redirect you in their registration process. Now I will be making my monitor a little bit bigger so you can see it properly. Now in this portion right here, all you need to do is to provide the necessary information. Choose the country of your residence. In my case, I am from Philippines, and provide your email and provide your password and just click I agree. And once you're done with that, you will be redirected to the XM members area. Okay, now in the XM members area, as you can see here, there are two types of account here. You could see the real account and you could also see the demo account here. Now for you guys to trade in Forex, you need to fund your real account first. Okay, now I will be showing you a link here on top of the video, and all you need to do is just to follow the instruction here, because it will teach you on how to find your XM broker by the use of online banking applications. Okay, now the second process is for you to download the MT5 trading platform. So this is where the Forex traders are playing. Okay, so all you need to do is to click more and then go to platform and then try to find whichever is fit for you. For example, if you have the Windows PC, you could check this one. If you have the Mac computers, you could check this one too. Now there is quite a difference here between MT4 and MT5. The MT5 is the advanced version. It's the updated version, so just click MT5 and then try to click download. But I don't have to download this one because I already downloaded the application. So what I need to do is just to go to my computer and go to my downloads folder. Okay, so I already have the installer here. So all I need to do is just to double click this one and then just click on next. Okay, and just wait for a while so it will be fully installed in your computer. Alright, so it says here, congratulations, it is now finished. Now all you need to do is just to click finish, and then this will pop up. Now in order for you guys to log in their MT5 platform, all you need to do is to go to your email, okay, and check the email from XM, because they will be providing you with your login credentials. For example, what we have here is the demo account and the real account. In this case, we will be logging in with our real account. So the very first thing that you need to do is to check on the server and then choose this one, connect with an existing trade account, all right, and log in. And then try to log in with the ID that is provided for you. Okay, so I will be choosing this one. Okay, copy and then paste it in the XM MetaTrader 5, and then just type your password. So once you're done with that, just click finish. And then here we are already logged into our XM MetaTrader 5. It means our XM broker is already connected with our MT5 trading platform. So stay tuned for our next videos, because I will be giving you instructions on how to arrange your chart properly and on how to customize it. Alright, so thank you so much again for watching. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. So see you guys next time. Have a great day. Peace out.